What's good, YouTube? This is another video for y'all. And if y'all seen the last video, we were putting everything back on. We're dealing with the heat exchanger. We got that situated. We're putting everything else back on. As you know, I couldn't put those on. Right now, I'm putting the front bumper. I need 4 more screws, so 2 on this side and 2 on the other side. Once we get all that situated, we are gonna go pump gas in it. I'll give you a little POV drive and all of that. But yeah, this needs gas, so let's get straight to it. The ghetto, bro. That's the ghetto bear right there. But anywho, I got one on, bro. Look how far, or like how up it is. All the way up there, bro. I got one on. I'm close to finishing the second one, so I'm gonna do this side, hop on to the next, and we should be done. All right, so I'm done putting on the screws on the other side and this side, and as you can see, the tire ate my inner liner fender. Not sure what it's called, but yeah, it chewed it all up. So right here is just missing a whole chunk, bro. I had to replace those two. That happened because I was running no bumper, and the tire just kept eating it up, as you can see. Nothing happened to the tire, but obviously damage happened right there. All right, so I was gonna put that on, but I only found 2 screws, and plus I gotta see if the heat exchanger is still gonna leak, so I'm gonna just leave it like that, go pump gas, and if it's or just check to see if it's leaking or not. But right now I'm gonna just put on the wheels back on, lower it, and we're gonna take it out. Alright, so I'm putting on the wheels right now, and it's weird. I'm torquing down the lug nuts, and every time I go put the cross thing back on, and I turn it like the slightest bit, and it's like it turns, but it's not loose. I don't know. I don't know how to. Let me see. I see if I can show y'all. Look. Like I'll put it in the slightest turn. Look. It turns. You see, that's one hand. It's not even like full force, but it's not loose. I don't know. That's kind of weird. I don't know. I'm assuming it's the studs that are going bad. That's what I'm assuming, because the other side is like that too. But anyways, I'm just torquing these down and take out the car. We're gonna go put gas in this. Gotta wash it too. I hit him up, but I don't know what he said. All right, so I turned her on. I'm gonna let her warm up for a bit, and we're gonna head out. This shit dumb loud, bro. Alright, so this is my boost controller. I also gotta find somewhere to put this. I don't know where at as of right now, but that's how much of a play we got. But yeah, I gotta drill that into somewhere, but everything's cool right now, so we're gonna get the driving. As you can see, I need gas. Yeah, let's get it. Oh, I'm about to drive off with the hood open. What the fuck? Bruh, we almost just macked into another charger, bro. Oh my god. Bad luck already. Come on, man. But yeah, man, we got the car outside. Jeez, man, I don't know how close I was to that car. Would have took us out the game already, bro. We just got the car back like 2 days ago. Yeah, I'm gonna give you some light pulls here, just because, like I said, I'm on a bass tune. I can't really be doing that much with the car, but I'm gonna give y'all some light pulls just for y'all to, like, you know, hear. Making a weird noise. I got scared. Nah, but this shit moving, bro. This shit moving. Yeah, imagine when I get the fuel system, and I can't wait to get the fuel system, bro. It's gonna, oh my god, it's gonna bring out a different beast in this car. This is just a bass tune, bro. This is just, we're just on a bass tune. Just wait until we like get it fully tuned. All right, let me see. Let me know if y'all can hear the whine. my bad for the bad recording too. I know this is gonna come out all like goofy, but it's because I'm recording with one hand, bro. I don't have the damn phone mounted somewhere, so bear with me here. Bear with me. This guy's going too slow, bro. And then this guy started going slow too. What the hell? Bro, I want one of those so bad, a 340i, bro. As I can see, we finna pump some gas real quick because we got nothing. Jeez. Hey, bro, I don't have a sticker, but have to improvise, you know? Gotta get out there. Damn, but the 5.7 is finally out, bro. Jeez. We got the 5.7 outside. Finally, after 3 months, bro. I can't get over it still. It's been a long 3 months. All right, we finished pumping gas. We'll drive around some more. See what we could get, because there's hella traffic right now. But I have to show y'all the chopper one time. Or let y'all hear the chop. Chopping at the gas station is crazy. And in Cali, double crazy. This shit moving, bro. This shit moving now. Just get some weight out of here. We're gonna be moving a little bit more. Oh my god, I can't wait. I'm trying to make it to Texas 2K, bro. I'm trying to make it to Texas 2K. I know I'm not gonna be running with the big dogs, you know, but I want to make it out there. That's a goal for me right there. Build my car and take it to Texas 2K, running with the big boys, you know. Yeah, this build is crazy, bruh. I know to y'all on the camera or like y'all watching it isn't really like much, but if you sitting here, bro, you can feel that shit compared to like a stock RT. Yeah, this is way different, bruh. If y'all trying to do this, is what I'm trying to say, do it, bro. I mean, it is a couple bucks, you know, some little money, but I mean, at the end of the day, it's worth it, bro. You gonna have a fast ass RT, bro. No cap, no kidding. You don't know how bad I want to race a car right now, but we on a base too, sadly, bro. Race that one. That was a scat killer now. Scat killer. Oh, got a little crackle to it too. Crazy. Alright, I don't know if y'all can see, but it's smoking, bro. I'm praying fingers. I mean, I'm crossing fingers right now. Okay, everything looks intact. Alright, okay, I know what it is. It's the coolant that I spilled earlier. I spilled some supercharger coolant onto the headers, and the headers are just burning it. Oh my god, I got scared. Everything's intact, nothing broken. I don't know, bro. I'm just trying to find the weak points on the car as of right now, because I know this car is gonna have a lot of weak points, and I want to test it for I could fix those weak points. You get me? I don't know if y'all understand me, but yeah, I'm just trying to see all the weak points right now. The whole car. No, I'm just playing. But yeah, man, that smoke is just the coolant that I spilled earlier. As you can see, spilled it. Hell, man, it's crazy, bro. This shit was moving, bro. And it's just on a base tune. But like I said earlier, I'm trying to make it a Texas 2K. Hopefully I can make it. If I can't, there'll be another year, and another year, you know. So I don't know, I'm just trying to make it this year to Texas 2K. That's my goal for this year, one of my goals. But yeah, man, I'm gonna end the video here just because it's getting dark out and y'all really can't see much. Like right now I'm using a flashlight and it looks all booty. But yeah, man, if y'all enjoyed this video, I'm trying to get more content for y'all. If it's either fixing the car, POV, or like anything, I'm gonna try to get it out to y'all because I've been lacking on videos. But yeah, if y'all enjoyed this video, man, make sure y'all like, subscribe, turn on the post notifications, and I see y'all. Yeah, banger. Deuces.